Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good, very good.
Wow. Camille and Glen are residents.
Yes.
Okay.
Glen.
Show me your apartment.
Yes. This is our laundry room. Very convenient when you walk in, and then
This is the kitchen area.
yes, we have a dishwasher with dishes in there. Dishwasher. Yes. And stove. We're already decorated for Christmas, so we have our Christmas towels.
That is lovely, Camille.
Yes.
Oh, I love that bar.
Yes, this is where we eat dinner and breakfast. Also ready for Christmas.
Oh, look at the Christmas decoration.
Yeah.
And this is our bathroom over here.
Very big bathroom.
Open, wide concept. With a full closet in the bathroom.
Walk-in shower.
Shower. Closet space.
Big closet.
And this is the king closet. Right here.
Very big storage.
Storage.
It's not even a full.
Yeah, not yet
Good
full.
thing. Yes, so you can.
He needs to save space for my stuff.
Oh, you're gonna put your stuff.
Yeah. Not yet. Okay, now this is our living space. We have our Christmas tree set up with our presents that Rosie got us. My favorite ornament is this ballerina. This is what my mom got me. And then she got me an angel and one angel from Belgium, Europe. Yeah. This is like our little reading chair. We have our lamp here. And this is where we sit if we want to read. And then when we go this way, we have our mirror. This is our workspace. This is where I study and Glenn does his Zoom meetings. And our book area also. There's our bookshelf. Yeah. Yeah, it's very nice. And then this is my favorite part. We have other books here, but I have my my record player, and
Play
it's
it.
all Taylor Swift vinyls.
Oh, that's another Taylor Swift.
Yes, I have lots of Taylor Swift vinyls. I can give a little sample of how it goes. That's what I listen to when I'm cleaning and stuff. When I'm cooking dinner, I always play my music. And then this is our couch. This is where we also have dinner sometimes and watch on our laptop. We run, baby, I love places that won't be found later. Now this is our couch, very comfortable. This is where we eat dinner. We come sit here after a long day. And then this is our bed. We also decorated it with Christmas decorations, a Christmas blanket, Christmas pillows, our side tables. This is touch, so you just touch it to turn it off. And then you touch it to turn it on.
See.
Yeah, and that's it.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you for showing me your apartment.
No problem.
Downtown.
This corner with the robot vacuum and a large mirror dengan stand plant. High ceiling and the big windows.
Alright, so this is the Philadelphia Wedding Magazine. And then my sister's photos are featured in the magazine. This is the first one.
That was awesome. Very cute
Real
picture.
weddings. Beautiful couple. And then her other photos are featured here. This
Wow.
is Caroline and Edvin. And it says Cheryl Batanzas Photography.
Oh, look at Camille's sister
Mm-hmm.
photograph. Thank you for showing me.
No
That was a
problem.
nice one.
Thank you for touring our studio apartment.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
8th floor. Okay. Thank you, Camille. Thank you. Okay. So ini rooftopnya. Tempat ini ada di lantai 8 kalau nggak salah dari buildingnya. Jadi ada kayak bar, ada meja wudhu, a lot of cigarette butts. Downtown Hartford. Di siang hari November 26.
Melody Roddy friend, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.